Hi everyone, this is Axod from aksoddesigns. In this video, I'm going to do a very special video, the first of its kind, because I've never done a video like this on my YouTube channel. My previous videos on my YouTube channel are mostly on social media handles, like how to open your Facebook page, you open your group, how to handle your WhatsApp, and so on and so forth like that. But this video will be all about unboxing and reviewing phones, gadgets generally. Okay, I'm going to start with phone, and specifically I'm starting with Tecno series, which is the Tecno Spark 10 series. Okay, so we have 4 different kinds of Tecno Spark 10 series. So the very first one is the Tecno Spark 10, and the second one is the Tecno Spark 10C, and the third is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Then the fourth is the Tecno Spark 10 5G. So those are the 4 that we have under the Tecno Spark 10 series. So I'm going to take the third one out of it, which is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and this is it. So this is it for you to see. So we are going to unbox this for you to see what it contains, and you know its price. Is it within your budget or not? And likewise, you know its features. So is this something that you like? Do you like its features or so? Let me just gist you this video I'm doing. So I'm using the camera, the front camera for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So that's to tell you that this front camera is very sharp. So it's something that you would like for if you want to use the front camera or even the back camera. Don't worry, we'll discuss about that. What is the megapixels for the camera and other things. Don't worry. So we do all that. So you can just decide before you go to get the phone. Is it a phone that I can go for, or is it a phone that I won't like from this video? Okay, before we start, have you subscribed to aksoddesigns? Kindly subscribe to aksoddesigns. If you haven't yet done so, thumbs ups. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go. Welcome back. We're going to unbox this Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Okay, and you see what are its features. What does it contain? Okay, looking around the box, so there's a gift inside it, an MTN 1 gig data, free data. Okay, and the internal memory for this one is 128 gig. We have that of 256. Okay, and the RAM is 8x8. That is initial 8 gig RAM and an extendable 8 gig RAM also. Okay, so likewise the camera, we later see that it has a 32 front camera and a 50 megapixel rear camera. So let's unbox. So this is the phone, as you can see, and these are other accessories that come with the phone. So the first thing you see is case. This is a transparent, flexible case that you can use to protect your phone whenever it falls or from scratches and so on and so forth. And this is the adapter, so a 3-mouth adapter, and you would see this adapter is 18 watts. So which means that it can charge your phone, your Tecno Spark 10 Pro, from 0 to 100 within 1 hour and 55 minutes. Okay, roughly 2 hours, your phone will be full. Okay, so we have some other things also, like the cord that you just use together with the adapter in order for you to charge your phone. So you just plug it like this, and the mouth of this cord is type C. Okay, you know this is one of the best mouth that you can use, so the type C. And after that we have the 3.5mm jack headset that you can use to listen to audios, videos that you like. Okay, and this is the free MTN data I'm talking about. So you just load it and you have your free data that comes with it. Okay, and this is a warranty, the 13-month warranty, and this is the receipt that I collected from where I got the phone. Okay, so the phone is roughly around 100k. Some shop will tell you 110, some 120, some may see it around 100. Okay, depending on your location. And this is the phone. So it has the back is glass. Okay, so it has a glass back. So likewise the front, as you can know that the screen is also glass also. So this is a where you can use to charge, where you can charge where you can insert your earpiece and like that. So this is how the phone looks. I hope you see the design is very beautiful. So I insert a side fingerprint. Have you seen that? So a side fingerprint, just put your finger at the side and automatically it would on the phone. And the phone is very fast, I can tell you that. So it is very fast. So, and you can screenshot. Let's say you want to screenshot, just use your 3 hands from the top like that, and you can screenshot maybe a partial screenshot. So you can do anything. It's very fast. And also even you can do scroll screenshot also. For example, what you want to screenshot is very long, so your phone will be scrolling so that you can capture all what you want to capture, as you can see in this. So you just use the power button and the down volume. You see it will be scrolling, so you can scroll it up, and all what you are scrolling up can be captured. As you are scrolling, you see I've captured all of it. So all these things are what you can do with this phone. Hope you can see that. Then you edit, any other thing that you want to do. Also, it comes with an health app until you can use it to monitor your health, how you walk, how you burn your calories, your weight, and so on and so forth. Okay, so these are some of the features that you need to know. You can see the back is shining, and the rear camera is 50 megapixels, 50 MP, and it's very sharp. So it's very sharp. And you see that the camera looks like an iPhone. Even many people, when they see the phone in my hand, they will be like, oh, you are using iPhone something, iPhone 11, like that. So it looks like an iPhone, which makes many people to cherish the phone. Okay, after having seen what the Tecno Spark 10 Pro box contains and its features, will you prefer to go for it, or you would prefer going for other products like Samsung, like iPhone and the rest over Tecno, or you prefer Tecno, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro over it? I mean those that are within the same range, the same price range. Let's share your opinion in the comment section. Bye. See you there.